In front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select one of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and select Apply. In order to customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!